Have you ever wondered if we could manipulate the very fabric of time? A question that has riddled scholars, scientists, and philosophers for centuries. And in the heart of Technoville, the answer might be closer than we think. Meet Dr. Emily Harper, a physicist of extraordinary caliber. In the labyrinth of her lab, she toils day and night, manipulating the smallest particles known to man. It was during one of these late-night experiments that she stumbled upon something extraordinary: the ability to control time through quantum entanglement. Quantum entanglement, a phenomenon so strange and powerful that Einstein himself referred to it as spooky action at a distance. Two particles, no matter how far apart, mirroring each other's behavior instantaneously. Dr. Harper, in her brilliance, found a way to harness this spooky action to ripple the fabric of time itself. But every discovery has its shadow, every light its darkness. Enter Dr. Victor Kane, the enigmatic leader of a shadowy organization. Dr. Kane, with his insatiable ambition, seeks to weaponize Dr. Harper's discovery. He imagines a world where he can control time, alter the past, dictate the future. A terrifying notion indeed. The story unfolds, a game of cat and mouse between Dr. Harper and Dr. Kane, a brilliant scientist racing to protect her discovery, a power-hungry villain seeking to exploit it. Who will triumph? The answer lies in the mysterious world of quantum physics. In summary, Dr. Emily Harper's discovery may have unlocked the door to manipulating time through quantum entanglement. But with Dr. Victor Kane's intentions looming over, the potential implications of this discovery could be as terrifying as they are fascinating. It is a tale of science, ambition, and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. A tale that serves as a stark reminder: with great power comes great responsibility. This is not just a story of time control, it's a story about humanity, about our insatiable curiosity, and the lengths we will go to satisfy it. It's a story about the power of knowledge and the dangers of its misuse. It's a story that raises a question. If we could control time, what would we do with it? Would we seek to better humankind, or would we risk tearing the very fabric of reality apart? The answer to that question, dear listener, only time will tell. In the dead of night, Emily's heart pounded like a drum as she stared at the glowing screen, the magnitude of her discovery sinking in. She had stumbled upon something extraordinary, something that could reshape the very fabric of our existence. But with great power comes great responsibility, and Emily found herself standing on the precipice of an ethical dilemma. Emily had always been a curious soul, her mind a labyrinth of questions and theories. This curiosity had led her to the realm of quantum computing, a field that promised to revolutionize technology. But what she unearthed was beyond even her wildest dreams. A new algorithm, one that could manipulate matter at the atomic level. The possibilities were endless, curing diseases, solving world hunger, even terraforming other planets. But with such power also came the potential for immense destruction. As Emily grappled with the magnitude of her discovery, she realized she couldn't navigate this treacherous territory alone. Enter Dr. Alex Mercer, a rogue scientist who had been ostracized by the scientific community for his radical theories. Together with a motley crew of experts, they formed an unlikely alliance to protect Emily's invention from falling into the wrong hands. The race against time had begun. As Emily and her team delved deeper into the world of covert operations and shadowy organizations, they uncovered a sinister plot to exploit her discovery for nefarious purposes. The stakes were higher than ever. If they failed, the world as we know it could be irreparably damaged. In the end, it all came down to one decisive moment, a choice between the potential for unimaginable progress and the risk of catastrophic destruction. Emily knew she held the fate of the world in her hands, but what choice did she make? Did she choose to reveal her discovery to the world, or did she bury it deep away from those who would misuse it? As the dust settled, Emily looked out at the horizon, a sense of calm washing over her. She had made her decision. But the question remains, what was the outcome of her choice? That, dear listeners, is a story for another day. In the world of science and discovery, nothing is ever as simple as it seems. And in Emily's case, her journey was just beginning. Her story serves as a stark reminder of the ethical implications that come with scientific advancement, and the responsibility that falls on the shoulders of those who dare to push the boundaries of what's possible.
Have you ever pondered over the perplexing mysteries of quantum physics? What if the very fabric of our reality is not as it seems? Today, we delve into the thrilling journey of Emily and her team as they venture through the labyrinthine world of quantum physics. In the heart of the bustling city, Emily, a brilliant young scientist, assembled a team of equally gifted and daring individuals. Their mission? To unravel the enigmatic secrets of quantum physics. Armed with their intellect and insatiable curiosity, they embarked on a journey that would challenge everything they knew about the world. Their first endeavor? A mind-bending experiment that defied all conventional understanding. Emily and her team designed and executed a series of tests, pushing the boundaries of our understanding of quantum mechanics. The results were astonishing, hinting at a reality far more complex and intricate than anyone could have ever imagined. But their journey was not without its trials. Their groundbreaking research caught the attention of powerful entities who sought to control the knowledge Emily and her team were uncovering. In a daring heist, they stole their research, leaving Emily and her team to pick up the pieces of their shattered work. Undeterred, Emily and her team played a high-stakes game of cat and mouse, outsmarting their adversaries at every turn. They reclaimed their research, exposing the corruption that sought to stifle their quest for knowledge. It was a victory, but it came at a cost. As they delved deeper into the mysteries of quantum physics, the fabric of reality began to warp around them. They grappled with concepts that blurred the line between science and philosophy, forcing them to question the very nature of existence. They navigated through uncharted territories, where every action had unpredictable consequences. The journey of Emily and her team was not just about unlocking the secrets of quantum physics. It was about the pursuit of knowledge and the courage to question what we think we know. It was about standing up against forces that sought to control or suppress the truth. It was about the moral dilemmas they faced and the choices they made. In the end, Emily and her team emerged from their journey forever changed. They had faced the unknown, braved adversity, and stood firm in their quest for knowledge. They had ventured into the realm of quantum physics, a world where reality is not as it seems, and emerged with a deeper understanding of the world around us. Their journey reminds us that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey fraught with challenges and obstacles. But it's also a journey of discovery, of courage, and of relentless curiosity. It's a journey that can change not just our understanding of the world, but also ourselves.
In the grand theater of the cosmos, a confrontation like no other unfolds. Emily, our unlikely hero, is locked in a battle with the enigmatic Dr. Kane. It's not a clash of fists or guns, but a confrontation that defies the very laws that govern our universe. Emily, a brilliant physicist, stumbles upon a secret that sends shockwaves through our understanding of reality. She discovers an elusive particle, a tiny speck of matter that holds the power to bend the fabric of space-time itself. The potential is limitless, the power godlike. But with great power comes an even greater responsibility. On the other side, we have Dr. Kane, a man feared and respected in equal measure. His intellect, daunting. His intentions, however, remain shrouded in a cloud of mystery. Dr. Kane believes he can harness the power of Emily's discovery to shape a new world order. The question is, at what cost? The stage is set. Emily and Dr. Kane, two brilliant minds with very different visions for the future, collide in a battle of wits and wills. Their battleground isn't physical, but a surreal landscape where the very laws of physics bend and twist at their command. As the clock ticks, Emily has to grapple with the moral implications of her discovery. Should she use this power to stop Dr. Kane, potentially unleashing chaos? Or should she let him proceed, risking a future dictated by a single man's vision? The lines between right and wrong blur as Emily wrestles with her conscience. She knows the power to shape reality can't fall into the wrong hands. But who gets to decide what's right and wrong in a world where the rules of the game can change in an instant? As we near the climax, the tension is palpable. Emily stands at the precipice of a decision that could alter the course of history. Will she take the leap, embracing the chaos to restore order, or will she step back, allowing Dr. Kane's vision to unfold? In the final moments, Emily makes her move. A flash of light, a ripple in the fabric of reality, And then, darkness. What happens next? That, dear listener, is a story for another time.
Have you ever pondered the power of physics? How its principles dictate not only the orbit of distant planets, but also the very fabric of our reality? Welcome to the captivating world of quantum ripples. Imagine, if you will, a universe where every action, every decision, results in an explosion of possibilities, each one rippling outwards, affecting and altering the course of existence. This, dear listener, is the world of quantum physics, a realm where reality is as fluid as the ocean, and every event a drop causing ripples across the cosmos. So, what does this mean for us, the curious beings navigating this vast sea of probabilities? It means that every choice, every action we take, sends out its own quantum ripples, influencing not just our own lives, but potentially the fabric of the universe itself. Now, consider the ethical implications of this power. What if we could manipulate these ripples? What if we could choose which reality comes into existence? Would it be a tool for the betterment of humankind, or a weapon of unimaginable destruction? The dilemma is as profound as the universe itself. The power to shape reality is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it could potentially cure diseases, end poverty, even halt the aging process. On the other hand, it could be used to manipulate, to control, to destroy. The question then becomes, who should wield this power? And perhaps more importantly, can anyone be trusted with it? But let's not get lost in the darkness. For the universe is not just a place of ethical dilemmas and potential dangers, it's also a place of wonder, of beauty, of endless possibilities. It's a place where black holes sing songs of cosmic history and stars write poetry in the language of light. It's a place where the very atoms that make up your body were once part of distant stars, where you are not just living in the universe, but are an integral part of it. So, to summarize, Quantum Ripples invites you to explore the ethically complex landscape of quantum physics, a world where every action has far-reaching consequences. It challenges you to contemplate the profound power that lies in our hands, the power to shape reality itself, and the responsibility that comes with it. It also encourages you to marvel at the wonders of the universe, to appreciate its beauty and its mystery, and to recognize your place within it. This is the world of Quantum Ripples, a world as fascinating as it is complex, as beautiful as it is mysterious. It's a world where science and ethics intertwine, where the power of physics dances with the dilemmas of morality. It's a world that invites you to question, to ponder, to wonder. So dive in and let the ripples take you where they will.